There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like us. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hello guys, I just got myself a brand new PS5. It's long I have been waiting for this, and finally I have it here. So because I have PlayStation 4 before, so I decided to upgrade to have the new console. So as you can see, the most thing I really love about this console right now, as you can see, it has one controller, and you see the design of this controller is this one is a Sony, and also 4K and 120. It's a 4K and 120. Yes, 120 and HDR, as you can see. So when we have to turn the side, you see they have this logo here, Sony as well, and the logo here, and PS5, PlayStation. And when you also see the other side, you can see also we have, just as you can see right now, this is the desk version, and as you can see also it also have the logo here and also the picture here, which is the controller. So there's something I really want to also say about here. As you can see, the SD inside, the space inside comes with 825 GB, as you can see. Also said play like never before. So this is the sideways when you turn it upside down in your cabinet, if you like it to put this way. So I think I like it this way as well. In which any way you decide to put it, it's portrait or anyhow you decided to put it, I think it's going to be more fit. So this is it. So we are going to be unboxing it right now. Okay. They also have the instruction over here how you can pull it out. The first layer is, which is where I am right now. When we open, then while the second layer, we are going to lie it at the table before we can take it out. So this is the first layer also. So this is the plug, because in my region, this is the plug that we use over here. This is the plug. Let's go to go. This is one we use over here. And here we have the controller. This is what I have been waiting for. This is exactly what I have been waiting for. Yes, this one is like, it's very beautiful. And the feel of the hand is very soft, not too hard. And also, as I can see, it has the microphone over here. It has a mic over here, and the feeling of the logo here, PS, and the feel of the button, they are very soft. It's very nice, very sweet. It's even different. It's very different. There's very big difference. I like the way they do this one this time. As you can see, there's a very big difference from the PS4 and the PS5 now. This is very nice. And now we have some menu over here. How, if you don't know what to do, so this menu can help in every language. So now we are going to take this one out, which is the first. I think we still have something inside as well. Yes, here is the plastic. This is the plastic for the plastic that we can use for the standing. The one we will use for the standing of the PlayStation 5, you know. So this one is what we will use to stand it later. As you can see, it's a plastic, just plastic. I think we also have some, you know, screw over here that we can use to screw it later if we decided to put it, you know, straight on the. And what else? We have the HDMI as well to plug to the TV. This is how it came. So don't use the old one. So you are going to use the same one to plug it. Okay? Don't use the old one. So this is the Type C for the controller to plug to the console. All right. So now so as the instruction said, we are going to lie it down this way. We are going to lie it down. Okay. Keep it down like this, like so. Dun, ta-da-da. So this is how it's going to work. So this is how it came, you know. This is how it came. So now we are going to, you know, put it like this. Do it this way. This is the most easy way that you can do it. You know, this is how I feel that you can do it to be more safer. And this is a plastic carton, nothing else more, just to protect it, you know, all around. It's very nice anyway. It's good the way they protect it. So let's open it. I have been waiting to do this video for a long time, you know, thinking of how I will present this video for it to look more understanding to you guys. Yes, this is it. Here we got it, we have it here. This is what I have been waiting for. So this is it, guys. So here we have it, guys. Here is the, as you can see right now, it has the logo over here. It has the logo here. It has the logo here, see? And the other side is plain, just plain. This side, and with what I can see right now is I can see that this place is like it's a plastic. It can take, you know, fingerprint. You know, it can take a fingerprint. Anyway, as you can see here, I see USB put here, and also Type C also is here, and the eject and the power horn is also in this place. So let's check what we have at the back. We also have at the back here something like maybe you want to put something over here to pin, and we also have two USB over here, and the internet cord, and the HDMI also over here, and the power cable also over here. So this is how it is. And also, if you want to, maybe for example you decided to put this one over the, maybe you decided to put this over the down, or to anyhow you want to do it, there's a place over here. There's a place you can hook it over here. Yes, I can see it over here already. This one is just, maybe if you want to put it down like this way, just you take this one here like this, there's a square mark over there. You just place it this way, as you can see. If you place it there just like that, very easy. No, just place it there like this. Then when you put it on the floor, you see it's going to balance. Now how you can put this one under the okay, before you do that, there's a screw inside here. You will turn this one, just turn. When you turn it this way, you see, look at here, this is how it's going to be if it's going to stand on it. Okay, just like so, like this, straight. But this is how you also get the screw out of here. Look at the screw here, but this screw is hidden here like this. When you turn it now, as you can see, you cannot see the screw anymore. But when in this way, you can put it, you can put your console here this way, so it can stand on top of here at the table. Okay, but when you're going to put it on the this way to stand like this, so this is how you do it. You will turn it again, as I said, you turn it like this, then you'll see, you will hear it's going to make a noise. Okay, then you will take its screw out with your finger, place it out like this, just like this. Okay, then you place it here, inside here. There's a hole here, you put it inside. Then you are going to, this one, just be careful. Okay, it's very hot, the weather is hot. You see here, as you can see, there's a plastic here, plastic that they use to cover the hole over here. You just use your finger to take it out. Okay, this is it. It's a very small cover. Okay, so we are going to screw this now under here. You take it like this. You screw it here, screw it this way. Okay, you have a screwdriver just to screw it, not so tight. Just like so, and now you can see it's standing. So you can get a ventilation over here for the hair to go out. You know, this is why they have this. You can put it this way, and you can put it sideways, anyhow you want it. But this is how I like it, and this is how I'm going to use it. Okay, that's how you fix it. This is the PS4, and this PS5 is very big. It's more bigger than the PS4. The gap is very high. So this is it, guys. So this one is going to be relaxing for now. So it's going to balance. So you see, it's very fit. But for me, I think I'm going to put it, I'm going to stand it the way I like it. I'm going to stand, so that it's going to be every time anybody coming to your house, it can be reflected, in a very good, attractive. That's what I mean.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
So let's see. No, I am going to leave it this way. It's okay this way. I will leave it. So my USB is going to come here. So as you can see, the after using it for some time, so I'll come to do the review and to tell you more about this very unboxing PS5. Okay, so I think this is all I really want to show you guys today, just to show you how the unboxing is going to be like. So thanks for watching. So please try subscribe and also give a like. Okay, so for more videos like this. Thank you.